The countdown has begun. Set the timer for 30 seconds, which means you will get paid $50 every minute. You are not required to sell anything, and there are no videos or websites that must be maintained. All you have to do is watch this video till the end to find out how you can earn money today. This is a new strategy that we will be introducing to you. Not many people know of this strategy, which means if you are watching this video, then today is your lucky day. You will be one of the few people who will make money with this new, innovative method that we created just for you. There won't be much of a competition since this is very new and fresh out of the oven. We have made extensive research about this method that we will be introducing today, so do not need to worry if this method will not work or not. What you should be worried about is missing any important details in this video. If you do miss important details, even one small step, then I am sad to say that this method will not work for you, so keep watching and pay close attention. Let me just tell you that this method today does not require a specific set of skills or experiences. All you need is your laptop or phone and you are good to go. This is also available to be done by everyone around the world. There are no restrictions on which specific countries can do this. And most of all, this method is completely free. You do not need any initial payments or monthly subscriptions to start off. Imagine earning money for free. However, you still have to devote some of your time and effort to do this method and earn money. Yes, it is free, but effort is required. Oh, let me just tell you that you won't be a millionaire overnight just by doing this method. It will not replace your day job, and you need to put in continuous effort in order for this method to work. This method can help you earn extra from what you are earning right now. It will not make you a millionaire, but it can help you with your day-to-day expenses. Now that's all out of the way, all you have to do now is sit back, relax, and grab a beverage and pay close attention to this video. Because if you miss even one part of this video, then you will not be able to successfully make money when it is your time to do it. Before we begin, make sure to like, subscribe, and click the notification bell down below to never miss new videos and opportunities to make money online. I want you to go to this website called legit.com. That's right, legit is with 2 I's. It's likely that you've never seen this website before and you've probably never heard of people talking about this website. However, it will be a completely new method that we will allow you to generate money right now, every minute of the day. On the surface, this website serves as a marketplace where people may come to discover a variety of services such as graphic and web design, internet marketing, video production and distribution, and music production. In addition, as you can see that at the top of the page, there are various categories and subcategories. Remember that you are not required to perform any of these jobs and you are not required to make any sales. First and foremost, I want you to pay close attention to the following steps, which is to click on the link right here where it says video. As you can see, people are demanding for a lot of money for their services. Right now, people are expecting a large sum of money for the simple act of creating a video. Let's take this one as an example. One such video costs $40 and has eye-catching animations, and all of these folks create videos and demand a lot of money for them. I'd like to reiterate that and make it clear that you are not required to create any of these videos yourself, nor are you required to put in any of the hard work, because after this video, I'll show you 2 websites that will do all the work for you 100%. Now, how much money can you earn here? For example, you charge $40 for a single video package for a single video project. If you can sell 15 packages a month, that is $600 a month in revenue, and all you have to do is sell the packages. And if you double that to sell 30 of these video packages a month, you can earn $1,200 per month. Now that's a lot of money. So this is such a good opportunity for you to make money here on legit.com. No one is talking about it. There's a little competition here, so that means that earning money here is super easy. If you look back at the prices of these services, we can see here that the prices are very high. This means that there is not a lot of competition here, and that makes the price higher since not so many people use this platform to sell their services. Now I will show you what you can do to sell video services without doing any work. The first website that I'm going to show you today is called Payoneer.com. Basically, it is one of the best websites out there that will provide you with free choice to create dozens of new professional videos, just like this one, by utilizing the Done For You template that is there. And guess what? Payoneer services are being used by a number of well-known companies. If we hover over the create option on the top of the website, we can see a bunch of stuff that you can create. I want you to click on video to create pre-made video on this website. You will be greeted with tons of templates that you can use to create a professional video in just minutes. For example, we choose this template. You can see a demo of a template and it will give you an impression that this template is professionally made. And you can edit the words on this template to suit the kind of video that you want to do. You've almost certainly seen some of these sorts of videos right here on YouTube, and a large number of people find them entertaining. And if you attempted to create this entire video on your own, it would most likely take you days, if not weeks, to accomplish, given that you and I both know that neither of us has any experience producing these kinds of videos and neither of us is required to do so. All you have to do is just click on the template that you want to use and click on edit this template, and it will redirect you to this page where you need to sign up for a free account. And after you've done that, you can now edit this video with whatever you want it to be. You can replace the text with whatever you want, change the color of the text, move it to any location in this video, alter the backdrop, edit the presentation sequence, and whatever customization feature that is available here. You can sell these templates for as much as $40 since Legit.com is a fairly new marketplace and there's still a little competition here. Before we continue, if you are enjoying this video, make sure to like and share your thoughts and any questions about the video in the comment section down below. Now the second website that I'm going to show you is called Flixpress.com. This is another website where you can get ready-made templates for you to customize and sell. To view the templates, just click on the automated templates on the top and you can see tons of templates that you can use to create a video. You can view a preview of this template by hovering over the desired template, and the best thing about this is that you can download the whole template in HD on your phone straight away. The next thing I want you to do is filter the templates to free plans just like this, and you can sell all the free templates that you can use. They are all professionally made and have good quality. You can create a complete logo intro film in only 12 seconds and charge $40 for it. It is impossible for your customers to know that you are utilizing these websites. They will believe that you have spent hours designing and utilizing all of your graphic design skills to create something, when in fact that you are utilizing these automation websites, which is the true definition of passive income and leveraging software and technological advancements. All you need to do is create a free account on Flixpress.com in order to use these templates. To do that, just click the register button on the top part and just fill up this form. And once you do that, you can now start editing these templates depending on what your customers prefer. And that's all about it. Just use the website, Payoneer and Flixpress to create professionally made videos. Sell them on Legit for $40 and earn some money. They will never know that these videos you made are pre-made templates from these websites. And that is how we can make money today. If you enjoyed the video, please hit the like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and turn on the notifications to stay updated about the latest ways to earn money online. Leave a comment for any questions and see you in the next video.